Hello there! Waves has just released a new L4 Ultramaximizer, a plugin that continues the tradition of the L1 and L2, but with a modern approach. Today we'll take a look at how it sounds and what makes it special. So let's dive in. The L4 Ultramaximizer is a brand new peak limiter plugin built for modern music. It delivers maximum loudness without crushing dynamics, thanks to several completely redesigned algorithms. The plugin offers 4 different limiting modes: modern, aggressive, safe and smooth. It also offers an L2 mode for that classic sound. The adaptive clipping and release controls let you shape the transients more musically. It also includes upward compression, which helps to make quiet sections denser and louder. On top of that, the plugin offers loudness metering, true peak limiting, upsampling, stereo linking, dithering, delta control and gain matching. And you can choose between a graph view for detailed metering or a classic mode for simple, fast operation. Let's begin with the Drumbus. Set up the threshold. I will set the ceiling to around -2 dB. Let's switch through the modes. I will try out aggressive here. Decrease the release time of the limiter. And increase the clipping amount. To make the sound a bit more aggressive. We can set a threshold here. And down here we can set up the upward compression. Let's set oversampling to 4 times. I love this. Let's switch back to the normal view. I will overdo it a bit. Let's also try it out on vocals.
There's a sweet, sweet feel to your energy.
Set the ceiling to -2
There's
dB.
a calming sound in your melody. Promise me
Set up the threshold.
you'll always remember me. There's a sweet, sweet feel to your energy. There's a calming
I think I will
sound
set
in
it to
your
about
melody.
4 dB gain
Promise
reduction.
me you'll always remember me.
Let's also use upward
There's
compression
a
here.
sweet, sweet feel to your energy. There's a calming
Not too
sound
much.
in your melody. Promise me you'll always remember me.
I will increase the release
There's
time
a
a bit.
sweet, sweet feel to your energy. Remember
Decrease the
me,
clipping amount.
Remember me. There's a sweet,
Let's try out
sweet
another
feel
mode.
to your energy. There's a calming sound in
Set
your
it to
melody.
smooth.
Promise me you'll always remember me. Remember me. Remember me.
I will keep it subtle here.
There's a sweet, sweet feel to your energy. There's a calming sound in your melody. Promise me.
Let's check it out on a full mix. I will decrease the ceiling a bit. Set up the threshold. Let's switch through the different modes. Safe. And the classic L2 mode. I think safe fits the best here. So let's also activate a True Peak. I set oversampling to 4 times. Let's switch to the correct view. Try out to use some upward compression. Maybe around 1.5. Let's increase the release a bit. We can set up the release time from 0.1 to 10 times. I think I will set it to 1.5. Increase the clipping amount a bit. 3 dB gain reduction should be already enough. Let's also set the stereo link to around 80%. Let's see how it affects the sound. I think 80% is good here. We also have 2 different disc types, and we can adjust the shaping. I will set it to Ultra. In the graph view we can see that the drums are affected the most, especially the kick and the snare drum. They are a bit too loud in the mix, so the limiter pushes them down. Wave's L4 Ultramaximizer feels like a worthy next step after the legendary L1 and L2. Whether you use it on a mixbus, drums, vocals or a full master, the L4 can give you that extra polish and competitive level without sounding squashed. In short, if you've been waiting for a modern take on the L2, this is it. Alright, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more plugin reviews and walkthroughs. If you tried the new L4, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have a nice day, bye bye. Thank you for watching.